Say hi. What are we doing today?
Making like a portrait of Big Blue. Not Big White.
No. Hey, Isabel, don't try not to get so muddy, baby. I know it's fun being outside again, but it's just... Try not to get so muddy, okay?
Over here!
Ugh, you're already too muddy. You guys have no problem with getting dirty, do you?
I moved to dirt.
You guys are all taking showers on baths tonight.
What?
Alright, I got all the things I need, I think. Out of lag bolts, different kinds, drills, drill bits. So let's get started on this, huh? Just to make things clear, I'm not a how-to channel, so all the new subscribers out there, I'm not trying to show you how to do things, I'm just showing you how I do things. So maybe that will help you decide if you should do it or not. So yeah, if you see me doing something wrong, you know, put that on the comments, so you know, maybe I'll come back and do it right. But mostly I'm doing things properly, but not everything. So I'm gonna go in this way and this way. So I'm gonna drill like right there, and some tape. I couldn't find any tape, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. All right, let's just see what that did, huh? Oh, that is solid. Oh yeah. Absolute terrible angle for you guys, isn't it? Well, yeah, that's the bolts. I sank in the top one, so there's nothing, you know, in the way. On the corner here, right here, there's a corner post that I'm gonna drill into and lag bolt into that corner post. So I'm gonna drill right over there into the corner and just use one of those, not these ones I just put, but the ones with kind of like more like a giant screw. So I'm going from the inside now and drill from the corner post into this. That should hold it from pulling, so it doesn't pull away from the coop. Yeah, sorry, it was way too dark in there to catch anything. The sun didn't come out today. So I measured up from the bolt and I saw the hole for this one on the inside. And measured up. It was about 3 inches from basically right here to the middle. It was about 3 inches. So I came in. I don't know if you guys could see the bolt, but yeah, I could see the bolt that came pretty much right in the middle of this, and so it's pretty solid in there. So in order for me to put that one in from the inside into here, I'm gonna measure the distance from center to center and then do the same thing from the center of the post on the inside, and hopefully this will catch center of this beam. Yeah, I'm not gonna take the camera in there, it's just too dark. You can't really pick up anything. So but it measures 44 inches, so I'm gonna go in there and quickly do this. I'll be right back. Well, success. Took me 2 tries. My first attempt, I missed it by just a little bit, and I felt the bolt go through, but it wasn't. I didn't feel any resistance, so I moved over 2 inches and I got it. It's right at the edge right here. So yeah, feels totally solid. There's no way that's gonna pull away from the board. I'm actually gonna drill one more hole right through here, so there's strength in this board right here. So, you know, I don't know why I put it over there. That was my dumb mistake, but I got one more anyway, so I'm just gonna put it right here. Alright, I'm gonna go inside and bolt on all those things, and like I said, it's too dark, so I'm not gonna bring the camera in. Well, I think that's gonna do it. It feels even more solid now. Nothing is moving. So yeah, next step would be for me to get the gutters ready. And so I went to the store to get the gutters as I was getting the lag bolts, but they didn't have any at the hardware store in my town, so I might have to go to the Home Depot for this one. So yeah, you gotta bear with me. I can only work with what I could get at the time. So how in the heck did I get it up in the first place? Oh. Well, I know that wasn't a very exciting episode, but yeah, just at least you know I got it done. I didn't just half-ass it, right? So I guess I want to leave today with a homestead tip of the day, I guess. If you're thinking about homesteading, you gotta remember, you deal with poo every day. Alright, this is Sang from Growing Little Country Homestead. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.